Hi, I'm Vladi from Ausgeknipst, and in this little video I will show you how to replace the battery door of a Canon AV-1. The problem is that here should be a latch that's broken off. It looks like that, and it's attached here. It breaks off quite easily, so we made a replacement battery door, and I will show you how to disassemble the camera so that you can replace the door. Let's start. So first things first, you need to remove this collar that goes around the bayonet mount. It's held in place by 4 screws here, 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 and here. Pull it off to the top, place it aside. So now what we need to do is pry off the leatherette at this bottom part. I already did it, so it's easy to do on my camera. Yours will be glued. A little isopropyl alcohol could help dissolving some old glue. Now this opens up this screw that holds in place this battery door collar together with this one. I will remove them now. Okay, now I will open the door and it all comes apart like that. It consists out of 4 separate parts. This collar, this is the original door with this metal shaft plus spring. And this knob that actuates the door opening mechanism. Remove the battery. Probably you should do it first before you start the disassembly. So, and now we can already replace the battery door. Let me show you how this is how the original intact battery door looks like. You see there is this little latch that, or a hook that engages with the door locking mechanism, and this is the broken one, a broken OG one that's missing the latch. So let me put them aside. And now let me show you. This is the 3D printed replacement part that we designed and printed on our Prusa Mini. So it consists out of 2 parts, not like the OG one that consists of 1 part. So you'll get the door plus the latch plus 2 screws, 2 little screws to attach the latch to the door. To do so, let me see how it's on the OG door. You'll need to attach the latch like that. Let me do it quickly. Okay, now this is how it should look. Let me show you again the OG door to the left, and this to the right is our 3D printed replacement door. Now what you need to do next is remove this shaft, this metal shaft from the broken door, plus be aware to not lose this little spring. It will fly away if you're not careful enough. So now I have the spring plus shaft, and I put it together and replace the shaft and the spring. Pair them with the replacement battery door. Like that. So be really careful not to lose your spring. We already lost 2 making those videos. So this is how it should look like. First, and I have to tell you, it's much more easy if you do not try to use the spring. The battery door will still work as probably it will just not open automatically without the spring, but to make it easier you can just leave the spring out. So what you do now is you first insert the door, then what I recommend doing is you take some tape and tape this mechanism that should go, let me show you, here. This is the mechanism that actuates the opening and closure of the door. It slides up and down here. So you can, to make it easier, tape it to the battery door collar, insert the battery door, lift the leatherette that you unglued. Now you see why it is so finicky. You have to play around with it quite a little so that everything fits in place and engages properly, like that. And at last you will have to screw those 2 screws into place. This one and the one underneath the leatherette. Remove the tape, and this is how the door looks. So now I didn't engage the spring properly, so it won't open automatically, but you get the idea. It snaps in place. Now at the end replace the bayonet collar. Four screws around. And it's ready. Thanks for watching. If you want to buy the replacement door, I'll set a link in the description below. Click like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with our latest projects, and thanks for watching. Bye.